Walker, we need eyes and ears on this situation now. Edward Page is responsible for this operation.
Well, what the hell?
As far as we know, the president may already be dead. Get in there.
Affirmative, Knight. That bastard is back. We fast rode down through the skylight, take those assholes by surprise. Okay, Dowds. This situation is extremely time-sensitive. Extreme measures can be taken. Let's go! Go! Tango to your right! I have a visual on Page! Page! Take it out!
Plug.
Keep behind that cover!
I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets!
Visual on target!
Walker, you are authorized to take him out.
Walker, I got this! I'll hold the line for reinforcements! Hey, Tango! Hold my position!
What the hell? Oh my God! No way! Yeah.
The terrorists are
I
holding
need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more
President Burke may be
bullets!
among them. If so, he doesn't have much time.
Copy that! Moving in now! Positive contact!
I need more bullets! 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 I need more bullets!
Tango moving! Up front! Behind cover! Nice shot!
I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets!
Form their position! Weapons free! Punch him out!
Bruh.
That's the kill! Knight, we ran into some resistance. Making our way to the tech center now. Heads up! Move to a cover point! Son of a bitch! Enemy eliminated! Damn, that's another kill! Switching back! Nice shooting! Hostile up front! Hostile eliminated! Holy shit! Light, we're going to breach and clear. Identify and neutralize tangos! Let's go! Right, don't shoot the hostages! Thank you. Don't worry about me. I'm okay. Knight, hostages are secure.
Did you locate President Burke?
No, but we'll keep searching. Right, let's move. Let's go, Blake! Suppressing target! Getting to cover! Engaging enemy! We need more troops! Switching cover fire! Taking cover! Move! Grab some cover! Hostiles inbound! Take cover now! Tango moving! Up front! Taking mag! Take cover now! There! Return fire! Weapons free! I need friendly fire! That's a kill! Hostile up front! Shit! This is the same kind of explosive they used in Seattle. Damn. Knight, we're going to need an explosive ordnance disposal unit in here.
We can't. They didn't make it. You're gonna have to take point on this.
Holy shit! Tango moving! Up front! Enemy neutralized! Wait, disarm the bomb now! Nice work. Now let's move. Page can't be far ahead of us. radar. We're going to lose them.
Intel will have to find another lead. Stand by until we dig something up.